Good morning, children of grade 2. Today I will explain you chapter 12, Shapes. This is our geometry chapter. What is geometry? Geometry is a kind of math where we can learn all about points, line and shape. Let's start the topic. Children, you have learned about shape in class 1. Today we will revise shapes and also learn a little more about them. Do you know what is a shape? Yes, shape is the outline of any object. Everything you're looking around has a shape. For example, pizza, book, ball, cup and glass, flower pot, trophy, planet, and even you. Now, this is the outline and make a shape. Now, do you remember what plane figure are? Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface. This is flat surface, flat surface, flat surface. Now, it has two measurements, length and breadth. It has two measurements, length and breadth. Length and breadth. It has two measurements. So it is called two-dimensional or 2D shape. Two-dimensional, 2D shape. Plane figures are formed by curved lines or straight lines. Now look here. These shapes are square, rectangle, triangle, hexagon, pentagon, parallelograms, circle, oval and rhombus. These are all made by plane figures and made by curved and straight lines. So let us we know about the edges and vertices. Edges are also called a side. These are sides and two straight lines, two straight lines meet to form a vertex. This is vertex. 1, 2 line meet vertex. 1, 2 line meet vertex. These are called vertex or corner. Vertex, one corner and vertices, 4 corners, 5 corners, 3 corners. Edges, also called a side. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Now, what shape is it? It is a square. Square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. 4 sides and 4 vertices. Next is rectangle. Rectangle is also a 4 side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 side and 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. But its opposite side equal. Now next is triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 vertices or corner. Now circle. Circle has any side? No, it is round shape. Curve shape. No side, no vertex. Oval also has no side and no vertex. It is in curve shape. Pentagon. Pentagon also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners. And rhombus. The rhombus 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Hexagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices or corners. Now, parallelogram. Parallelogram, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Children, I hope you have understand these plane shape. Now children, you will draw all these 10 shapes in your copy and also write their names and write definition of square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Now this is your maths copy and do your geometry work on back side of your maths copy. Take at least 30 pages from back side of your maths copy. Then start your work. First you write the heading of geometry. Chapter 12, shape. This is your title page. Now draw the shapes, plane shapes, square, rectangle, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, rhombus, parallelograms, kite, circle and oval. These are 10 shapes, 10 plane shapes or 2D shapes because it has only side and length, and this is flat surface, flat surface. Now definition of square. A square is a plane figure with 4 sides and 4 vertices. So all sides are equal in length and draw the shape of square. Rectangle. A rectangle is a plane figure with 4 sides and 4 vertices. Its opposite sides are equal in length and its figure. Now triangle. A triangle is a plane figure with 3 sides and 3 vertices, and also it's a figure. Circle. A circle is a round shaped plane figure. It has no side and no vertices and it's a curved shaped circle. This is your homework in your copy. Now open your worksheet pad, page number 32, 2D shape. Now fill in the blanks. I am a triangle. I have dash side and dash vertices. You know about the shape and it is easy to fill these blanks. Look at me, my name is dash. I have dash side and dash vertices. Can you tell me name? I have dash side and dash vertices. Do you think about my name? I am rectangle, but tell me how many sides have I? How many vertices have I? You know, the rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Do you know me? Guess my name is oval. I have dash side and dash vertices. How many vertices in oval? Any side? Any vertices? No. Now next page, number 33. Rhombus, parallelograms and pentagon and hexagon. Now next page, 34. This figure made by geometrical shapes. My head has dash circle. How many circles? His head? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How many rectangles? Only one rectangle. Square? One square. Triangle? No triangle in his head. My face has. This is his face. Dash circles? 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Triangle? 1. Square? No has a square. My arms are rectangle in shape. My body is triangle in shape. My legs are rectangle in shape. And my feet are rectangle in shape also. Now student, these pages 32 to 34 you do in your worksheet pad. Now look your homework, copy work, draw 10 plane shapes in your copy. And write these definitions: square, rectangle, triangle and circle. And worksheet pad, do page number 32 to 34. This is your copy work. Geometry, title page, plane shapes and definitions, and your worksheet work also. Look in your homework again. Dot and pen shape in your copy. Write the definitions and worksheet page number 32 to 34. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.